Hello, it's Mrs. Powmore. Welcome to one of my drawing workshops. Okay, I'm going to show you how to draw some sport balls. So we just need to start with a circle. So if you've got something round you can draw around, that is great. If you don't, you can just try and freehand it. So I'm going to draw inside this masking tape. Might just draw a few different balls, circles. And we're going to turn them into some different sport balls. So the first one that I'm going to do is a baseball. So we want two curved lines coming in like this. Yeah. And then we're going to do the stitching. So just some little feathering lines that go from the line out, coming down, and the other side coming out. I think usually on a baseball this is red, so you could colour it later. So we've got a baseball, and the next one we're going to do is a basketball. So I might use this one. So we are going to do a curved line along like this. First one, almost looks like a crescent moon there, and then another line curving around a bit. It's a bit like a cross, but the centre's not in the middle. It's a bit to the right there. Then we've got one that curves down and then curves back up like this. And then another one that curves up and out like this. Cool. Starting to look like a basketball. Let me finish that baseball off. I didn't finish it. Okay, then we're going to do is it a netball? We're going to do a curved line coming in here. Then we curve out, and then we have another one that curves in like this. Then we want to make them parallel to this line, but starting here. So we do another one, try and keep it on the same width. Going around like that. The same as this line, but starting here. Coming around. Excellent. And then the same as this one. Same as this one here. So we're going to go around and around like that. Cool. We could also do a soccer ball or a bowling ball or a golf ball. So you could have a play around with a few different. And then to make it look a little bit 3D, I'm going to use the side of my pencil, and I'm going to pretend the light source is coming from this direction. So there's the light coming there, maybe the sun up here, which means it'd be lighter on this side and darker on this. So I'm just going to use a little bit of, you could use a crayon, and I'm just going to darken it around this side of the ball. I can use my finger to start to smudge that in. So you can start shading it just around here and around the edge. Because as a ball moves into the distance, as things move, it gets darker on the edge. So I wouldn't do it on this top bit where the light hits, but on these edges you can have a little bit of shading as well and coming in. And you can smudge it. If you've got a rubber, you can use that to make a bit of highlights. Probably going to be the darkest along this edge. You can start to play around with those ones as well and do the same thing. See if you can make them look a bit more three-dimensional. Fantastic. Enjoy.